Hey there guys, Chet here. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create automations inside Brevo to save time and manage your marketing more effectively. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link that we've put down in the description below. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything you need to know to master the platform step by step. Now let's get started. If you're new to Brevo and don't know about automation, let's first try to understand what automation actually is. Automation in Brevo allows you to set up a series of actions that are triggered automatically based on customer behavior or specific conditions. This means that you don't need to manually send every email or follow up with every customer. Brevo does it for you. For example, imagine someone signs up for your newsletter. Instead of you having to welcome them manually, automation can instantly send a personalized welcome email within a few days and then follow up with a product recommendation or discount code. This way, your business runs smoother and your audience stays engaged automatically. Now that you understand what automation is, let's move into the practical steps of creating one inside of Brevo. To do that, navigate to the left menu, of course, once you've logged into Brevo. Navigate to the left menu and click on the Automation tab. This will take you to the Automations page. As we are creating a new workflow, click on the plus Create an Automation button. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see it right there. Good. Once you click the plus Create an Automation button, a pop-up window titled Create an Automation will appear on your screen. Inside this window, you'll see two main options: start from scratch or use one of Brevo's pre-built automation templates. For this tutorial, we'll go with the second option and create an automation using a pre-built template. This method is easier for beginners and really helps you understand how automations are structured before you start customizing your own. Under the pre-built automation type section, you'll see several templates such as abandoned cart, product purchase, welcome message, marketing activity, and anniversary date. Each one really serves a different purpose. For example, abandoned cart is used for reminding customers who left items in their shopping cart, while anniversary date can automatically send celebratory messages on important dates. For this tutorial, we'll choose the product purchase template. This option is perfect for automatically sending thank you emails or post-purchase updates to customers who complete an order on your website. Now, once you select product purchase, a new preview screen opens that outlines the automation's workflow. On this screen, you can see a clear visual representation of how the automation works, including each step in the sequence and what triggers them. At the top of the workflow, the process begins with a trigger labeled order created. This means the automation will start the moment a customer finishes placing an order on your website. Brevo automatically detects that event and uses it to activate the workflow. Up next, the workflow moves to a step called time delay. This step really adds a small pause before the next action takes place. In this case, the delay is set to wait 1 minute to continue. The delay feature is important because it helps you space out your messages instead of sending everything instantly. For example, if you're sending a thank you email right after a purchase, a short delay of a few minutes feels more natural and less automated. So after the delay, the workflow continues to an action block labeled send an email. This step automatically sends a preset email message to the customer. In the context of the product purchase template, this email is usually a thank you for your order kind of message, confirming that the purchase was successful or maybe even offering the customer a discount code for their next order. Now, what makes Brevo's automation system really powerful is that each step is fully customizable. You can click on any block, whether it's the trigger, time delay, or action, and adjust its settings according to your campaign's needs. For example, you could change the time delay to a few hours instead of 1 minute, or edit the send an email step to use your own email template instead of the default version. Once you've reviewed or customized the window, click the Create Automation button to activate it. Brevo will now begin tracking the defined trigger and automatically execute the actions that you have set up. Now, listen, at any time, you can return to this automation in your Brevo dashboard to make changes, deactivate it temporarily, or check performance metrics such as how many contacts entered the workflow and how many emails were sent or opened. And that's it. You've now learned how to create an automation in Brevo using a pre-built workflow. Whether you're running an online store, a newsletter, or digital service, automation helps you stay connected with your audience without having to do repetitive manual work. By setting up automated workflows like these, you ensure every customer receives timely, relevant, and consistent communication from your brand. So, go ahead. Experiment with other automation templates such as welcome message or abandoned cart to expand your automated campaigns even further. And once you get familiar with these, you can even start building complex workflows from scratch that fit your exact business goals. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please make sure to check out our full Brevo course and get 50% off of the starter and business plans for the first 3 months using the link that we've put down in the description. As always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.